The Horizon V77 CMY is designed for comfortable ocean living. Its design emphasizes capability on the open ocean. The yacht is suited for extended voyages. It combines luxury with seaworthy performance. Horizon Yachts has decades of experience in composite construction. This experience highlights their significant investment in engineering. They employ controlled lamination processes in their construction. This ensures high quality and durable yacht construction. The V77 CMY is designed for owners who prioritize long-distance cruising. It also caters to those who frequently host guests on board. The design blends versatility with luxurious amenities. This combination ensures a comfortable and capable yachting experience. The yacht features a spacious main deck area. Its 19.5-foot beam contributes to the open design. This beam width creates unobstructed sightlines. Generous walkways enhance the yacht's usability. The yacht's main deck features a salon designed as a welcoming social space. Large windows are incorporated to maximize natural light within the salon. This design choice effectively blurs the line between the interior and the ocean. The abundant natural light enhances the ambiance, creating an inviting atmosphere. Overall, the salon is designed to be a central gathering area with an open feel. The yacht's interior features a modern, understated design aesthetic. Clean lines define the space, creating a sense of openness and simplicity. Warm materials are used to create an inviting and comfortable atmosphere. Finishes are selected for their durability, ensuring longevity and timeless appeal. V77 CMY utilizes advanced fiberglass composites in its construction. These composites offer a balance of strength and weight efficiency. The materials enhance the yacht's overall performance. Fiberglass composites also contribute to the vessel's durability. Yacht interiors use luxurious, resilient materials for aesthetics and durability. Hardwood veneers provide a rich, elegant finish to surfaces. Soft-touch fabrics enhance comfort and add a tactile element. Marine gray finishes protect against harsh marine environments. These materials combine luxury with the demands of sea travel. The cockpit design is engineered for versatile functionality. It supports various activities, including fishing and water sports. The design facilitates easy access to the water. The cockpit enhances the outdoor living experience on the yacht. Its design integrates convenience and enjoyment for yacht users. The yacht is equipped with rod holders for secure fishing rod storage. Electric reel outlets provide power for automated fishing reels. Integrated bait systems ensure fresh bait is readily available. These features enhance the yacht's suitability as an offshore fishing platform. The yacht cockpit can transform into a relaxed beach club environment. This transformation highlights the versatility of the cockpit space. It adapts to different social and recreational activities. The design supports both sailing and leisure. A hydraulic fold-down transom opens the yacht directly to the sea. This creates a seamless transition between the yacht and the water. The lower transom forms a floating terrace or platform. This feature enhances access to the sea for recreation. The master suite spans the full beam of the yacht, maximizing interior space. Positioning benefits from reduced motion for enhanced comfort. Large windows offer expansive views of the waterline. These windows integrate the suite with the surrounding seascape. The design prioritizes both luxury and stability for occupants. Yacht guest cabins are designed with versatility in mind. The arrangement caters to families, couples, and mixed groups. Thoughtful design ensures comfort for all occupants. Cabins are optimized for both relaxation and functionality. Layouts are adaptable to different guest needs and preferences. The crew quarters are located in the aft section of the yacht. This positioning is designed to maintain crew privacy. Access to the crew quarters is provided from the cockpit area. This access point allows for convenient crew movement. The location ensures separation from guest areas. Aft placement optimizes space and functionality. The enclosed sky lounge serves as an all-weather retreat on the yacht. It provides an elevated command center for navigation. The sky lounge also functions as a space for relaxation. Its design allows for enjoyment regardless of external weather conditions. The sky lounge combines functionality with comfort in a luxurious setting. The yacht sky lounge is climate controlled for comfort. It is also well insulated for protection. These features enable long-distance cruising. Passengers avoid harsh weather conditions. The sky lounge enhances cruising experience. It provides a comfortable, protected space. The yacht features twin Caterpillar C18A engines. These engines provide a combined output of over 2,200 horsepower. This substantial power enables confident cruising speeds. The engine configuration ensures reliable performance. High horsepower allows for efficient and smooth navigation. Modern yachts utilize advanced navigation systems for precise and safe travel. These systems enhance situational awareness and route planning. Zero-speed stabilizers minimize rolling, ensuring comfort while underway. Stabilizers also function at anchor, providing a stable and enjoyable experience. The yacht is designed for smooth and efficient movement on the water. Its design minimizes noise for a more pleasant cruising experience. These features make it ideal for extended stays on the water. The yacht prioritizes comfort and quiet operation. It is engineered for long voyages and comfortable living. The V77 CMY yacht's pricing is semi-custom, varying with owner preferences. Pricing is typically available upon request due to customization options. Owner preferences significantly influence the final price. Customization allows for personalized features affecting the yacht's cost. Yacht ownership includes maintenance and crew expenses. Dockage and fuel costs are also significant factors. Insurance is a necessary expense for yacht owners. Annual costs range from 10–15% of the yacht's value. The V77 CMY yacht is designed for owners seeking unrestricted luxury. Its target audience values high-quality craftsmanship in yacht design. Exploration and adventure are key interests for V77 CMY owners. These owners desire a yacht that combines opulence with seaworthiness. The V77 CMY caters to those who prioritize both comfort and exploration. Yachts uniquely blend elegance with a spirit of exploration. This combination creates a special appeal for yacht enthusiasts. Yachts offer luxurious comfort and adventurous travel. They are designed for both relaxation and discovery. This duality defines the yacht's distinctive character. The Horizon V77 CMY yacht is designed for both comfort and capability. It represents elegance through its masterful balance of features. The yacht is shown navigating the open sea. It embodies luxurious travel and advanced nautical engineering.